Welcome guys, today I will show you how to use Nearby Share or Quick Share on Nothing Phone 3A Lite. So, in front of me Nothing Phone and the second Android device, and now I will show you how the Quick Share feature works. So, at the very beginning, make sure that on your devices Bluetooth option is activated. Then you can open the Quick Share feature or choose the file, photo, etc. and then use the Quick Share. So, for example, we want to transfer something from Nothing Phone to Motorola. So, open the Photos app, find the app you want to share, for example this screenshot, use the share option, and here you will find Quick Share function. Okay, now you will need to accept on this device visibility. So open the settings app and in the search settings type in Quick Share. Alright, so now we here find who can share with you and change it by using this switcher. And now you can choose between these options. For example, I will choose everyone. Alright, on our phone we can see that the device is appear. So I simply choose it. Then I accept on another device the process. And voila, it works. So also I will show you how it works from the Quick Share app. By the way, you can find it in the upper menu by swiping down twice, here and here as well. Then go to the page where the Quick Share is. On Motorola it is here. Tap on it and you will open the Quick Share app. Here we will find it. No, we don't have Quick Share on Nothing Phone in the upper menu. Oh no, we have it. Like here. You can find it by this specific icon. So, and now let's check how it works another way, yeah? From Motorola to Nothing. So, open the Who Can Share With You section, activate it, and choose everyone for 10 minutes, for example. You will be able to Quick Share with you for only 10 minutes, yeah? So also you can choose your devices, so then only devices with your Google account will be able to share with you, or for example only your contacts and everyone, yeah? Any Android device with Quick Share function will be able to share with you. So now in the Quick Share app, the process on Motorola and on Nothing the same. So how to receive here something, yeah, on Nothing Phone. On Motorola, go to the Send chapter and find the Nothing Phone device. But before you will able to send something, you should choose something, yeah? So tap on the select and find something to share, for example this screenshot. And now tap on the icon of the device which you want to share with. Okay, and on Nothing Phone you should accept it. So, and that's it. That's how it works. Nearby share or quick share on Nothing Phone 3A Lite. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comments below, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.